Hey, don't answer that, you know. Somebody I beg. Hey, don't answer that, you know. Somebody I beg. Hey, never you forget where you're coming from, you know. Bridging, me and you know, well, two of you, we know you don't have it, brother. Don't listen to him. It can be an emergency. Brother, them are beg. So your family can call to see if you're alright. And a beg, them are beg your bridging. Answer the phone. Brother, them are call to check the status of the stimulus. You're gonna regret it if you not answer, watch. You are gonna regret it. And your pocket are gonna rejoice. Hello?
Boy, deal you goodie. From the time when me asked if you $100, no.
See, now you're broke now.
You're broke now. Biden give you the stimulus.
No money you now, no. You're broke.
And I know I'm gonna see a stimulate like back to Jamaica.
Broke like buckle. Broke as a...
Yeah, baby. Ease yourself, no? When you come.
From what they have beer do this thing and your draws them. You know if we wear white, you know? You know see tissue in our bathroom? It's like see a car tie in your brief them. A beer do the mark me see like a skiddy I make.
Who call you back?
Last time I checked the little boy that named Lawrence Del Jr.
My DNA running at
But tell you something, my son and a fear pitney. Don't tell me up to raise my pitney. I'm a box you.
my grand pitney.
I feel my son. Don't tell me up to raise my son.
Where you run from?
I nah run nothing.
I'm my grand.
Come on, tell me up to raise my son, boy. Don't rough him. I feel my pitney. That's what you have to that may I tell you. Alright. Okay. You're a grand pitney, okay.
It's my grandson.
Yes.
Netflix.
I'm tired of the one bag of Batman them wanna have in every single series. Every new series of the show have a Batman in it. So when the kids them watch them something up on Netflix, it's a series of Batman them go create though. You know it might sound funny but you have to look on it. I when the show talk about God Batman in it. You want to see them scenes, we just run and cut them not caring no man. God said don't trust nobody no, but Netflix have forced the one along in my eyeball. But Netflix don't need to give me a breeze still on a big man meds. Too much Batman.
So this Jamaican girl was like, I'm so glad you're not Jamaican because all these Jamaican guys do is cheat. But you never know something in yard, man. Babes, you have to get bun, cheese, the whole bakery. You see me? You see me are your worst nightmare. Me, I gotta give you a bun till you can't take the bun no more. You gotta bun up, you gotta fry, you gotta steam, you gotta bake, you gotta stew.
Misha, can get some of your snacks. Yeah. Tongues. But oh, it tastes so. Come and try it again. It tastes still. Come and try one more time. Excuse me. But it not taste still. Oh, it tastes still. Yeah, it tastes still. Come and try it again. Come and try one more and see if it's still. One more time. It still tastes still. It's still.
Jamaica, the land of food and water. But not on that. Jamaica, the land of furniture and water. I don't know which Jamaica you come from, but we not come from the same Jamaica. You a batty boy. Brother, go on, go sleep. Brother, you wake me up to sleep at about wood, brother. What kind of man this man? Oh, you hear wood out of everything.
We got one job. We can run in, get the money and run out.
A years now, man, a bank in a youth, you feel, man, a novice.
And everybody get down, this a robbery. But we think that it's obvious we are at the bank still, my G. No sudden movements. Nobody move.
Hey, you know you're the man, son of son. Oh, God, mama, where you getting a body there from?
How your name? Hey, if I know one thing in our circumstances, I'm meet you on the right now. Hey, if you see up on the road, me that call to you and mama. You man, you know me, I like to take you out and thing and make you feel nice and treat you good and thing. But hey, you me I left my number with you, you see? Yeah man, I'm kind of match up something right now, but I left my number with you, Steve. I write it down on a piece of paper and give you right now, mama. Cause you know, mama, I'm back to the round. Come on, bro, we gotta go. Sorry, no, BS. I brother just rush me, so I don't know what I'm doing, but hey, remember my face, you know, mark my face, you know, hey, I can't you see about the road and thing. I say it, yeah man, just always remember, call me, the little man now, fuck your good. That's how you know, so.
Miss. Siobhan, me say you must come over here, so, and Shanika go over there, so. Jamaica the Island by Raoul Blase. Jamaica are the best island in the world. We have the most strongest boys and the most beautiful girls. So no matter what them a say, and no matter what them a chat about, we tell them to shh, 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 and keep out your mouth. So put on the gun, Jamaica. Put on the gun.
And what will you be having today?
Number 2, with a lemonade and a slice of fish.
Nah, put that on my paper, sir.
What do you mean? That's my order.
Yeah, Batty man. Me nah put the number 2 on a slice of fish on my paper. You have to go order something else.
I'm not ordering anything else. That's what I want to eat.
Why, panda? We don't eat here, sir. We consume.
Can I speak to your manager, please?
I mean, you're the manager. And me no want to talk to you because I know say you're a Batty man.
That's it. I'm leaving.
Yeah, man. Go out here fish them somewhere else. Batty man. And don't come back.